In this video, I'll show you how to delete an Asana template. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you just want to simply choose projects. Now, once you click on projects, this will automatically be all of the project templates in which you have used. Now, let's say here at the very top, I want to delete the cross-functional project plan. So just simply click on a project. That will take you to the project overview. From here, head over to the top bar. On the left-hand side, click on the drop-down for actions. And at the bottom, you want to choose the very bottom to delete the project. Now a pop-up will show. From here, head over to the bottom and click on delete. And once you do that, it will automatically delete the project. One thing that you have to know is that if you are not sure about the project or the template wherein you want to delete, just make sure that you set a duplicate or a copy of the template. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.